Hi everyone, welcome back. If this is your first time here, we're so excited to see you. My name is Chip, and I love to dance. With me are my friends Spark and Gadget.
Hi.
In today's dance class, we're gonna learn ballet. Now make some space and get ready to dance with us.
Beatbots, beatbots, always having fun. Beatbots, beatbots, come on and dance along. With Spark, Chip and Gadget, we're learning every day to jump and spin, play, count it away. 5, 6, 7, 8, beatbots, beatbots.
Before we start dancing, it's important to always warm up. Okay, now that we're all warmed up, it's time to dance. Let's do it together nice and slow. Follow along. We're going to start by placing your hands on your hips. Now place your feet like me. This is called first position. And the first move we're going to do is called plie. Can you say plie?
Plie.
Let's do 4 plies. Count with me. Ready? Down, up, 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3, down, up, 4. Great job. If you had a hard time doing plie, that's okay. Dance takes lots of practice. Let's do it again. Ready? Count with me. Down, up, 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3, down, up, 4. Great job. Now, let's go up on our tippy toes. Bring your arms up as high as you can. And we're going to turn all the way around. Ready? And turn, 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 turn with those teeny tiny robot steps. And arms down. Way to go. Let's do that again. Ready? Arms up. And turn, 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 turn with those teeny tiny robot steps. And arms down. Whew. That was impressive. Great job, everyone. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Great job.
Wait, we haven't performed it yet.
Oh, Spark, you're right. Let's all do it together. Cue music. Thanks for joining the Beatbots in this fun ballet dance class. I loved dancing with you today. If you missed anything, my friends Spark and Gadget can teach you again. Thanks, and see you next time.